So this is my TV screen as I'm viewing my game, and I have to click back to get out of the game to hit watch now, back to the game, which then loads for 30 seconds. And after that 30 seconds loads, yeah, here's the 30 seconds of loading. Then there's my game. And it pauses again. And it's paused. And it's paused. Oh, and it comes back. Then it pauses again. And you can see that it's not 1080. It's actually terrible, terrible picture. But here we are, still stuck. And it's not coming back. And it's been like this for over half the game. So this is why it sucks.